What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, we got the wrap in the bag. You guys already know what time it is. No, we are not heading to the city. No, we are not heading to the state we always head to, man. We heading to a whole new place we never been, on the other side of the map, man. Probably like 19 hours away, man. Yeah, I know, far as heck. Can't really find any shipping in the time that I want it done. Like, I really want this freaking bike here literally within the next couple days, man. So I'm gonna go try to get this thing done because I don't got time to sit around and wait. But without further ado, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. The giveaway for the CVO is done. We will be figuring out where that thing is going here Friday. We're gonna go load up all our tools and stuff because you never know what we might need, but we'll load up all our tools, our ramps, and all that good stuff, and then gas up and hit the road, man. So let's get to it. Alrighty, and got our ramp. Got our gas canteen, because y'all remember what happened when we went to Oklahoma. We literally barely made it. Got the car loaded up, got all our straps, got our jumper box. Oh yeah, we got our 4-way there, so we should be pretty good and prepared, man. Hopefully nothing happens. We should have a smooth ride. Just got an oil change and stuff yesterday, so we're good to go. But definitely gonna get a car wash on this thing and hit the road, because we can't be on the road in no black Raptor all dirty and stuff, man. So you know we gotta be sliding. But meanwhile, we're on our way to go pick up a 2017 Road King. We already have the back fender for it. You guys will see that when we see the bike. But that's literally the only thing wrong with the bike. So as soon as we get it, man, that thing is going to be pretty much good to go. Alrighty, we got our freaking bag of snacks right here, big dog. So let's see how long this lasts. We got like, I want to say 5 things of sunflower seeds, a whole bunch of shenanigans. Alrighty, man, first stop. I'm already at like half a tank. I remember last time when I went to Oklahoma, I got on E and it was like no gas station for like 50 miles, man. So I looked up on that try, but we're not gonna be going through that again, man. So we got to gas this thing up and get it out of here. Alrighty, y'all, next stop, we just made it to Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's kind of cloudy out here. Look like some rain or something is coming, but we're gonna get gassed up, get some food, and get up out of here real quick, man. Alrighty, next stop, we out here in like Texas, maybe about 40 miles from Amarillo. Whew, it's cold as heck though, dog. Cold as heck, gas is getting cheaper, and we starting to get more miles, but it's freaking freezing, dog. I'm about to hop back in this truck. Alrighty. We in Oklahoma, the last gas stop before we get our bike on the back of this joint and head back, dog. But we sliding though. I ain't gonna hold you. We about 4 hours, not even 4 hours, like closer than that, like 3.5. But yeah, we almost there, man. Got here pretty quick actually. So let's gas up and get on the move. You already know. Yeah, I didn't even know we had to freaking pay to use the road out here in Oklahoma. Didn't know. Got no cash on me, so trying to figure it out. Actually, I'm coming from Oklahoma City, but I'm from California. I didn't know you had to have cash to be on this, so she told me to come and get off on the first exit so I can go to the ATM. Alrighty guys, we have finally made it to Copart. We literally in the middle of nowhere in Arkansas. You're from Arkansas. Yeah, we definitely out here at Copart bright and early. The first one's here. It's like 6:53, man. We got a whole hour, so I guess we can chill out and pretty much just sleep until they open up, I guess, right? Alrighty, we here at Copart bright and early, 8 a.m. We got our loading papers, man, so let's go get this truck set up, get it ready to go, so we can hop back and load it, so we can load this thing up and hop right back on the road, dog. Got feathers and stuff everywhere. Alrighty, we ready. We're just waiting for it to come out. Like I said, we the first ones here, the only ones here, so shouldn't be that long at all, man. So let's see what this thing is looking like. Yes, sir. That thing looks, oh my Lord. That thing looks good. Yes, sir. We got that joint. We got it. Get it on in here, big dog. I'm gonna guide him up. I don't want to run my window. Wow, this thing looks freaking good. Freaking good. This thing is clean. I like it, man. Can't wait. We about to load up though, so. All right, so apparently this guy doesn't load motorcycles often because dude totally didn't know how to upload it. So had to offload it again, find the slope. Now we got to try this again, man. So broke my ramp, so gonna need a new ramp. It's crazy, dude. I just want to get this thing loaded up so we can get out of here. Alrighty, man, we got her all strapped up, ready to go. We done already started it, rode it up, so we know this thing runs good, rides good. It's literally no damage. This is a clean title bike, so literally just need to get, I got this fender already, just need to get the bike repainted now. I love the black on here, but y'all know I can't give it to y'all with this black, man, unless y'all want it black. But this one is definitely gonna be one of y'all's, man. We're gonna go to the crib, get that new windshield and stuff. Just tidy up everything, get it cleaned up, get this fender switched out, and we're gonna be sliding glide, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the Road King so far. Road King special, that is. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it and you could too. Man, while we gassing up at a VP, bro, we can check this joint out. Man, this thing look fresh. I don't even see anything really damaged over here. Like damaged. Everything is like scratched a little bit, but no damage. The rear fender is the only damaged part on here. Everything else is pretty good. Like I did say, this thing is a clean title bike, so that's pretty sick. I think I should take that off and put that in the car, but we should be all right. We should be all right with that. We good with the keys there, but all in all, it's looking good. We got to get one of these new little little trim pieces. No big deal there. He had the fog lights, the little freaking lens came out. Other than that, really, really clean bike, man. All these C8s, man. We got a whole freaking truck of C8s. I wonder where they going. Wonder where they going. Got them C8s, dog. Yes, sir. Alrighty, back at Love's, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This is probably one of maybe two stops before we get to the house. So we'll get right into we should be able to, I don't know, we might get into Flagstaff area with this tank and see what's up, but all the straps are still good to go. So we slide, man.
Let you all alone. Oh, I'll be the one you call. And tell them where we might go.
Alrighty, we at pretty much the last stop, man. We made it to Flagstaff. We about 200 miles from the crib. 19 hours in both ways, man. Long freaking drive. I can't wait to get back and start. The wind is starting to pick up. It's freezing. I have to get me a little Sancho Pancho, little sweater thing. Keep warm while I'm pumping this gas, but we good to go. Got that bike on the back, man, so we gonna get to the crib. Try to offload this thing tonight and then tackle it in the morning, man. So let's gas this thing up and get up out of here, dog. Alrighty, guys, we done made it back to the desert. Freaking finally made it back, dog. Man, we done made it back to the crib. Long drive, dog. I probably only got about the first little bit of sleep I got was when I got to Copart. Probably got about maybe 32 minutes of sleep, man. I got there early, but I only got about 27 minutes of sleep at Copart. So I was asleep from maybe 7:20 something to 8:05 or whatever the case was. Hopped on the road, got back, coffeeed all the way up, man, and just took that long ride all the way again, crazy. We had to stop in Flagstaff, I think, for maybe about an hour or so, man. I just couldn't do it no more. Had to pull over and just take at least 30 minutes to an hour. I don't even remember the time. I just know when you crossing these states, man, the time changed so much, you don't know what's going on. So I don't know how long I was there, man, to be honest with you. But it wasn't that long at all, man. We just made it back to the crib. Got the bike still on the back of the truck. You guys already know the deal, man. We're gonna go to the car wash and stuff, clean that thing up in the morning, bring it back, offload it, check it out, and see what we can do, if we can get some stuff done. So stay tuned, man. Thanks for the support. I appreciate all you guys tuning in today, riding with me, man, sliding and gliding. It was a freaking long trip, man, 19 hours each way, but we did get that thing done in a day and a half, man. So with that being said, man, stay tuned for tomorrow's upload. We will be going live, picking the winner as well for the CVO here, man. So stay tuned for that, man. We're gonna get it going though. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.